Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here are the products that we are using from Cat Scrappiness, and these are new Valentine products, and I'm super excited to show you the coffee pot shaker craft dies. And I did cut it out a bunch of times out of pink heavyweight cardstock, and I am going to make my shaker layering those. And I am using some acetate from my stash, and I am just tracing enough to fit around my coffee pot here. And it's really cute. If you love coffee, you will love this die set. And you don't have to use it for a shaker if you do not want. You can add it to an A2 card or even a square card. It would probably fit, so that would be really cute as well. And I am using my tape runner, and I do use some liquid glue to layer my pieces together. And it's really simple, and it was really quick to put them together. If you like to use foam tape, probably a 1/4-inch foam tape would fit best, or even if you like to use square foam squares, you can do that as well. And you can also use vellum or tulle if you like to use, or packaging for your shaker. However you like to do it, I'm sure it would look really nice, and you can always share it in the Facebook groups, the Facebook Insiders group, Cat Scrappiness, and we would love to see it. And so I am making a shaped card with one of the dies from the coffee pot shaker die set, and I cut out 2 pieces with pink heavyweight cardstock, and I'm just going to score the top here, and that is how I like to make my shaped card bases. And just fold it, and you can use your bone folder again, and I will use a liquid glue to put that together. I'm sure any glue would work. I love liquid glue the most though. And so really cute, and I'll show you what it looks like opened up here. And so really cute, and I think it's a big enough space for a message. And even big enough to stamp in the back as well. So I'm going to use some pattern paper from the new Love Doodles Black paper pack, and I love that you get 12 patterns, 4 of each design, and I'm going to use the black paper, and I'm going to use this love paper, which is really cute. And I love this for the inside of my coffee card because I do love coffee, and so I think it is cute, and I love that you get solid pieces. And so I did cut it out with pink also, and I'll probably use the pink cardstock for my handle, and then I will glue my coffee portion on the top of my acetate. And then I will be adding my bits, and I will put some my pattern paper on that shaped card. So this is the new Hugs and Kisses sprinkle mix, and you get a good amount in there, and I'm just going to use the pink X's and O's for this shaker. But you also get red in there, and you do get some cute little clay. I mean, they're all little clay pieces, so I love them. Also, I will be using the, let me see, I do use the Sparkling Snow Glitter Sequin Mix, and that's me putting it in on that side there on the left. And so I think those look really cute together. Cat Scrappiness has a wide variety of mixes, so I'm sure even if you made this for Halloween, you could find a cute mix for Halloween. So wouldn't that be cute, a Halloween coffee pot shaped card? So I'm just going to glue my paper and then use my powder tool, and I will have all the products I used down below. Also, there is a product supply bar, and that will take you to the Cat Scrappiness store. And next I will add my handle, and I do glue it to the pink cardstock there, the die cut that I cut out earlier, and it makes it a little bit sturdier. And using my rainbow ombre tweezers, which I love. They're reverse, so it's really easy. And this card is almost finished. So I hope you check out the Cat Scrappiness Valentine release. There are so many cute products. I love it. So, and I will be adding a sentiment with the Simple Sentiments Valentine edition. And I love that you get the coordinating, well, there is a coordinating die, and it cuts out all the sentiments all out at one time, which is so amazing. And this says, "You are loved," because my coffee is loved. And I will show you both cards here. And there is also an intro on this, which I will link down below, for this coffee pot shaker. And that's how they look standing up. And I did one with a white card base and a pink card base, and so really cute. And then here is what they look like on an A2 card base. And you can do it landscape or portrait, however you like. It will be really cute, and I can't wait to see what you make. So thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.